Welcome to Mekco. I'm Adam Schneider, and today we're talking about the Mekco Onsite system. As you can see, we're in snowy Wisconsin. The beauty of this Mekco Onsite system is it doesn't matter what the weather is outside. Maybe you're on a construction site. Maybe you need to have a store on site or in a location that's out of the normal infrastructure in which you normally operate. This is perfect for your application. In a moment here, we'll go on the inside of this particular unit and see some of the benefits and features that are available. All of those benefits and features are options that you can select depending on your environment, your explicit needs. So here we are on the inside of the Mekco Onsite system. As you can tell, much warmer. We've got our heater maintaining at 72 degrees right now. Obviously a lot quieter, there's no wind penetration. You can actually think inside this space. Maybe you're on a construction site and you need to get out of the wind, out of the rain, and read a set of plans and just have that ability to make a phone call without an interruption. This Mekco Onsite system provides just that. The beauty of the system is it's made predominantly out of fiberglass, and I've got a segment here that describes what the wall set looks like. We have a gel-coated exterior that's UV resistant. On the interior of this particular unit, we have an insulated wall providing R7 insulation. Now we can go up to R14, as you can see that thickness grow here. And then on the interior wall, you can see it's actually enveloped as well. That foam, that insulative foam, is fully encapsulated in fiberglass reinforced plastic. Now what that does is it provides a waterproof exterior, a washed down, rateable interior, and the nature of fiberglass is that it does not attenuate any cell phone signal, any wireless signal. Furthermore, what it does attenuate is exterior noise or vibration, what have you. So R7 here will actually attenuate 22 decibels of impeding sound, depending on how many windows or doors you may have in your respective space. Now, every Mekco Onsite system can come with pre-wired electrical componentry, as you see the panel board here and the LED lights above. Now, depending on your circumstances, depending on the job site you might find yourself on, there are a plethora of opportunities to power this particular facility. Maybe you have solar panels at your site and you wish to power purely lighting and some of the low voltage draw items. Maybe you only have a gas power generator on your site. You can simply run this whole system off of a generator. This particular configuration is only requiring 30 amps, and that's even excessive for what we have inside of this space, providing room to grow, room to add additional systems. Maybe it's a vending machine, maybe it's some other items that need to be charged overnight. So know that there's a plethora of options out there for powering your Mekco Onsite system. So job site safety is critical to all. This Mekco Onsite system is no different. We've actually employed a fire retardant gel coat and resin for this particular Mekco Onsite building. What does that mean? You can actually take a flame and hold that flame against the wall, remove that flame, and that wall will self-extinguish that flame. There's no need for a sprinkler, there's no need for other forms of fire suppression systems inside this particular configuration. That again is an option on the Mekco Onsite system, one of many options we provide. Now, from time to time we get asked, okay Adam, your Mekco Onsite system is great, but why don't I just use a traditional job site trailer? Why don't I build a brick and mortar office? All great questions. A traditional job site trailer is typically a decommissioned trailer, i.e. it's not technically roadworthy, and you're very limited as far as where that trailer can be parked based on what that tractor can access and drive and manipulate, maneuver. This particular system you can pick up with a heavy-duty forklift, a SkyTrack, perhaps even a heavy-duty skid loader, and maneuver it where you wish, when you need to. There are 4 sets of pick points on this particular building that I'm standing in that allow you to do just that. If we were in a job trailer, we'd require to hitch up on one end and maneuver or Y back into a certain position or configuration. This particular building could be lifted and set atop a pile of earth or whatever and move as the construction site moves. You're not limited to one particular spot. A job site trailer typically also has stairs, and here in Wisconsin you're dealing with snow, with ice, carrying things up and down those stairs. You're creating an unnecessary hazard. Here we're essentially at ground level. We have an ergonomically correct step of about 7 inches entering the building. You wouldn't have that with a typical job site trailer. Now if you had bricks and mortar, yeah, you've got just that. You've got a building in which you can reside, but that building is physically planted and located exactly where you built it. Here we're mobile. We can pick this up and move this 15 feet, 20 feet, all within a matter of 10 minutes or less. Literally 10 minutes or less. We're simply unplugging the system, maneuvering it, and replugging it back in wherever we might have shore power or wherever we may have a gas power generator to run the system that we're in. So we offer a lot of mobility, a lot of flexibility, and a lot of ability to adapt as job sites and conditions are always adapting in this day and era. So again, as you can maybe see out the window here, we have a typical day here in Wisconsin. It's 31, but it feels like 17, and it's windy and snowy outside, yet I'm wearing short sleeves inside of a 72-degree building right now. Again, the Mekco Onsite system can work for a variety of environments. Don't feel that it's just made for Wisconsin. Maybe you're in Arizona, maybe you're in Texas, and heat's the concern. The air conditioning unit can do the same thing. Call us today to learn more about how the Mekco Onsite system can solve your on-site needs. Thank you.